Stand by. Nope. Watch the rewind there. I threw that one a while ago. Shot to the head. He's dead. Okay, practicing transition drills. Stand by. To the body, one to the head, threw that a while ago. Practice makes perfect. Looks like he's dead from the shot to the head. Law enforcement target system, official targets of US Triple Tap. Thank you for your support. Contour camera systems with the rail mount. Pretty cool POV. Checking out for the first time on this rifle. They got a lot of good videos. Visit their website and you can check out their product line. This is the GPS that's on the rifle. And I forgot the Roam is on hearing protection. So that's it. Thank you for visiting US Triple Tap. See you downrange.